I'm Austin. So you may have remembered in my previous video, I mentioned how solid ice was covering the whole harbor and was preventing us from going boating. Well, the ice is still here, and we've decided to take another approach. So we've decided to actually come out onto the ice and take our samples from there. So what we did was we called the Ocean Search and Rescue Team, Graham and Steve, and they came out here and made sure the ice was thick enough for us to walk on, and they chainsawed a square right here about a quarter mile out from the station, and it left us enough space so we can really get our sampling done. So right now, this is what we would normally do on a boat. This is called a plankton tow. We're dropping about 70 feet of line into the water, and on the other side of this line is a big net, and that net is capturing all, or hopefully most, of the phytoplankton that pass by. And so this allows us to get a really concentrated sample so we don't have to search and search for individual organisms. To further get a huge amount of culture and cells, we're doing a yo-yo experiment, so I pull this up and down 15 times to get the most possible phytoplankton.
Today we're doing what's called a diel experiment, and diel just means that we're going to be sampling during almost the entire 24 hours because we're interested in what's happening to the phytoplankton when the sun comes up in the morning. It gets brighter during the midday, and then the sun goes down at night, and then they'll be in darkness. And so since they're photosynthetic, this is a very important thing for us to understand. So we started this morning at 9 a.m. and we came out to the ice hole and we took a plankton sample with the net, and as Austin mentioned, the net goes into the water, and by pulling it up and down a number of times we can concentrate the phytoplankton that are in the water column, and then we take the sample back to the lab and we analyze it for a number of different things. And we will do this, so we started at 9 a.m. We'll do it again. We did it again at 1 p.m. We're out here now at 5 p.m. and we'll come out again at 9 p.m. and that will give us a whole series of samples that will cover the course of the day.